2024 sales volume 3,800,000 units. An average of 10,000 per day. So why choose Yura? Please look at the following. 1. Good quality, more corrosion resistant. 2. Good sealing performance. 3. Good production capacity. Automatic installation. 4. Certificate. 5. Suitable for various combinations of products. 6. Application. Agricultural irrigation. Main and branch line management. Connect the sprinklers. Connect the water dropper. Connect the water meter for pressure measurement. If you are interested, please contact us.